25 minutes. For the sauce, I'm literally using whatever I have. It's not much in here. Add a little water. Not too much though. Onion powder, oregano, garlic powder. And do a quick flip. Added some water, a bit of butter. And this is just chicken bouillon seasoning. Microwave. I made a little cornstarch and water slurry just to make this a little bit thicker. Chicken breast, Parmesan cheese, very hot, butter to potato, sour cream, and bacon. And there we go. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So how is it?
Good, baby.
See what he did with the potato.